Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the ultimate 2000s outfits in DTI. So if you want to channel your inner Paris Hilton, Britney Spears and early Y2K's fashion icon, you can just follow my steps in here to recreate this look. Now let's just get started. So first, I'm going to tell you the hair that I use for the look. So I'm using this curly hair combined with this wavy hair from the masculine hair category and also this curly hair from the Petal Updates. Toggle it into half front and remove the flower. Now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on the top. Now for the top here, I'm going to wear this top from the men section. First color, make it white, and the second one I'm going to use this red color. This is the hex code, and then I'm going to combine it with from this. Let's go put on these eyeglasses. Toggle it into number 2, change the frame to black, and I'm going to adjust the Z in position like this. And for the pants, I'm going to use this jeans in here, remove the flower, and I'm going to use this color. Let me put on this necklace, the second color. Let's use the red one like the shirt, and I'm going to wear this earrings combined with this ones right here, and I'm going to adjust so that the earrings will pop like this. Okay, now let's go to the dressing room first. So for the shoe, I'm going to wear this boots from the code items. Put it into sport pattern and use the same red color. Then I'm going to go to the reward items, put on this bra in the same red color like this, and go back to the code items. I'm going to wear this jackets right here. Toggle it into unzip, remove the logo, first color red, and the second one I'm going to go with black. And I'm going to also use this bag in here, first black, and the strap I'm going to go with the red color like this for the details. And now these eyelashes, let's go to this currency item, and I'm going to use this belt. Toggle it into number 2 and change the second color to red. Here I'm going to lower the scale a little bit like this, and then this skirt, remove the ribbon, and I'm going to use these patterns right here, and this is optional. You can also use these chains, and I'm going to use silver color. So guys, this is the Y2K outfit for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.